Two dreams have come true for me. I cannot wait to tell you guys all about it. Hi, my loves. Welcome back. Oh my goodness, today is going to be a super duper exciting video. Truly, two dream things have happened. I can't wait to show you. I'm just so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm just so excited. You know what? We're just going to get straight to the first reveal. So this first reveal has been like 7 months in the making. You guys are so clever. Seriously, I think you notice every single detail about me because a few of you had kind of mentioned it in past videos and I was like, how do they know that? Anyway, yes, I'm excited to announce that I have done my first co-creation. You know that I'm a huge earring person, right? No secret about that. I love earrings. And when I had the opportunity to, this has been probably an 8 month process. And it's because for me, I'm a very detailed person. So yes, I have teamed up with Luisa and I have created my very first pair of earrings, which is me to a T. And let me explain why. From the very get-go, the pouch says Melbourne with Luisa. It is purple because purple reminds me of royalty, of elegance. Everyone that gets this pouch, I want you to feel special. It's just this touch of luxury because a luxury can be in the everyday. And then inside, you will get these pair of earrings, which yes, I have been wearing non-stop. So what this is, it is a pearl earring, as you can see, in a teardrop shape and a gold hoop. I love hoops. I've got so many. You guys have seen me wear them countless times. And pearls, because who doesn't know that Mel loves pearls? So this was exactly what I envisioned for my creation. But there's certain elements to it that I just wanted to go through with you. And why did I partner up with Luisa? I've had jewelry companies approach me before and I'm like, I haven't been interested. And with Luisa, what I really appreciated was they let my ideas and my vision come to life. I have spoken with the owner at length. I think we have spoken for hours and I've been involved in every single step of the process. And his name is David. And let me tell you a little bit about him. He, is French trained. He has worked for luxury houses. We're talking like Alexander Wang. We're talking about Tory Burch. We're talking about Vuitton. He knows his stuff. He knows the manufacturing process. He knows all the costs involved. And we've had lengthy discussions about it. Anyway, for my piece, I wanted something more luxurious. There is nothing wrong with costume jewelry. You guys know that I have lots of Chanel earrings, but you guys would also know that I've cut back a lot on my Chanel earrings because I want to invest in more semi-fine jewelry and fine jewelry. So I've really cut back on that. And so when I spoke to them, I said to them, I know most of your earrings are costume jewelry, which, I love, but I really want to create a piece which is that little bit more luxe. So let me tell you a little bit about this earring. This earring is in gold vermeil. This is how you spell Vermeil. And you're thinking, Mel, what is Vermeil? What's the difference between, say, this or like what I see at Chanel? Well, first of all, just to give you a bit of backstory, and you guys know that I'm a Chanel lover as well. Chanel earrings, they're called costume jewelry because they're not made of real gold or any precious metals like sterling silver. That is why you will find that if you have sensitive ears, your ears get itchy or they can tarnish easily and sometimes they go, a little bit green. And so that is costume jewelry. So we all know, not even just with Chanel, okay? Even with Chloe, even with Celine, a lot of these brands, it's all costume. It's all gold-plated brass, okay? And it's because of the brands, you can mark up the prices so much more. And then there's all these middlemen. That's why the prices are as high it is. We know with Chanel earrings, they can start from 500 and go all the way to 2,000. It was really important to me when I created these earrings to find a metal that was, one, suitable for most people, including my mum, some of my closest friends. And Vermeil, what it is sterling silver, but it is plated in 18 karat gold. And to be honest, be careful, guys, because for it to be true Vermeil, some jewelers are really sneaky about this. It has to have 2.5 microns of gold over the sterling silver. I've been so pedantic that even on these earrings, which I'll show you, you'll have the 925 marking on the earring. On the stud back, it's got 925, so that those with sensitive ears, sterling silver is a precious metal. And also, it is coated in 18 karat gold. Some Vermeils only coated in 14 and things, but I wanted 18. Best of all, guys, you're probably thinking, yeah, Mel, go on all about this, but get this price. And what I love about Ana Luisa is one, this sterling silver uses all recycled sterling silver. They're a company that believes in sustainability. They're a company that believes in transparency in terms of the pricing because, as I said, with brands and things like that, they mark up the prices. With Ana Luisa, they're an online store. They can afford to pass on the savings and charge the customer much less. So everybody can afford luxury. In creating this piece and creating this price point, yes, I know many of you can afford luxury, but I also know many of you, it might be a little bit of more of an investment. But this piece is, and I'm really proud to say this, 159 US dollars. And not only that, guys, I'm a very like two-in-one person. So I'm wearing one now. This was the sample. So the earring backs I even had to change, which took like an extra month because I wanted to look seamless. I wanted to look beautiful. And so the best thing about this is that it is a two-in-one earring. I'm all about wearing things different ways. With my Hermes scarves, I wear them as scarves and then I wear them as a dress. With my bags, it can be a cosmetic bag, but I'll wear it as a handbag. Likewise, this can transition and it's that easy. You just loop it in. They custom made this piece at the end, so no, it cannot fall off. I will insert close-ups and it does not irritate your ears. Obviously, as with all this, you don't sleep or shower in them because they're not solid gold, but you never know. Maybe next time I should do solid gold. But obviously with solid gold, we're talking about, even more. The reason why I was so pedantic about the backs of the earrings is because I've lost so many earrings because the backs have like fallen off, even Chanel ones. It's been so annoying. So when I asked them to get these backs specifically made, they stay, like they're strong enough to stay, but they don't hurt your ears or anything. And I made sure that the posts were like long enough because everyone's got different earlobe thickness. So that was a very important detail. But what I found in my research is either, all the fine jewelry and, I can even say I love it. Don't get me wrong. My Cartier, this is 14,000 Australian. All the really expensive 18 karat, 22 karat pieces are all like in the thousands. Or then you've got your costume jewelry, which is either very cheap or highly marked up from all the designers. So this piece fulfills the two-in-one. I'm wearing it on one ear here. I wanted to create something that was still solid, something that was still substantial. As you can see, if you wear it, it doesn't sort of disappear. But you want to wear it with the pearl. It looks so elegant. I'm just wearing it with jeans. I've worn it to a wedding. Pearls to me is everyday luxury. And I've put my heart into this. And I don't know if you can just see my excitement, but I'm so proud of what we have achieved every step of the way. I gave them my mood board, my vision board. And this earring was inspired, as you know, by one of my favorite Chanel earrings, which is my vintage earring. And this was like 20 something years old, and this was the one you could wear it two ways as well, if you can see, except it's clip on, but you could wear it, just as a hoop or with the cross. I think, as I said, I just love pearls. And so I wanted to combine those two elements together. So having the mood board, having the designers draw up everything from the thickness of how thick I wanted the earring to going back and forth about how big I wanted the pearls. These pearls here are actually the same quality as Chanel pearls. So they're Swarovski glass pearls. So it was important to me that I matched the quality of Chanel, not just saying, okay, yeah, Chanel charges $1,000 but I said, let's do the same pearls as Chanel pearls. So I wanted to do this droplet because there's a lot of pearls in the marketplace that are round, but I wanted something a little bit different. So that is my creation. It is called the M.I.M earring. You would have seen in the last, as I said, I've been wearing it at work, with my work gear, with jeans, with, more dressier floral outfits. So I just really hope you love them as much as I do. Also, in creating this earring, I wanted to have a piece where, what can you buy someone that's so difficult to buy for? Let me tell you guys and girls, I think it's always nice to receive jewelry. And this piece, because you can wear it two ways, this piece can suit someone from 18 years old up to 65 years old because it is timeless. It is classic, it is elegant, it is a piece that is going to last the test of time. So if you're like me and you love earrings, or you know someone that loves earrings, this is going to make a fabulous Christmas present. And, you know, Anna Luisa have told me, if you go over to their website, they do have special offers running at the moment, but it does apply to my earring as well. And if you order before 19th of December, it will make it in time for Christmas. But you know, guys, in doing all of this, the reason why I also wanted to partner up with Anna Luisa is because I wanted to give back. And so a percentage of every single sale is going to go to the Fred Hollows Foundation. And the Fred Hollows Foundation is a foundation that Fred Hollows created. He is an Australian. Did you know that 4 out of 5 people who are blind don't need to be? So this organization basically goes to remote areas of the world. So a percentage of sales from every single earring is going to go back, because one thing that we take for granted, I'm just closing my eyes right now, we take our sight for granted. And to be able to restore someone's sight, how amazing is that? So that is something that is close to my heart, and I think all of us can understand that. I'm very proud to have partnered up with Anna Luisa for my M.I.M earring, and I love their quality standards. They have a 1-year guarantee, 365-day guarantee on all their products too, because they stand behind their quality. There is only limited quantity, guys. If you were interested, do head to the website. I will put their link down below directly to my earring. I think it makes the perfect Christmas gift for any person at any age, and I just hope that you love them as much as I do. And so many of you that did guess and think, Mel, create your own line. This has been a dream of mine. If you had asked me years ago, would I be able to create my dream earring? This is the exact earring I would buy. If this was like marked Chanel or something like that, it would be, I'm telling you, it would be like $700. Does that mean I'm never going to buy Chanel earrings? No, but I have cut back down a lot. I just also want to mention, you guys have seen me wear these. Both of these are Chloe earrings. So it's as you can see, pearl and gold hoops. I love them. But, you know, I paid $500 to $600 Australian, maybe more, for these earrings, which are just in brass. So they will tarnish over time quite quickly as well. It's not even solid sterling silver, which are mine are like, but I wanted to show you examples because I have bought them and there's nothing wrong with them because I love earrings, but to be able to create a higher quality product at a price point I'm super proud of. I just can't believe it. So that's my first reveal, guys, and I'm kind of like just like on a high, and I'm just so excited. And so let's move on to my second big dream reveal. Okay, the second thing, guys, I found my holy grail Louis Vuitton bag. I have never mentioned it on this channel yet for 3 years, and the reason why is because I never thought I could get it. I actually did get this bag 6 months ago. You're thinking, why didn't you unbox it, Mel? 2 reasons. One, I had to hit 2 personal milestones. First, release my first co-creation, as you can see, I have now. And secondly, my husband and I had set personal goals at the start of the year, and we actually just achieved it about a week ago. So this was finally, it just coincided perfectly with this and, you know, our goals. And so I can finally reveal this bag. And you know what? Personally, I needed to teach myself a little bit of delayed gratification, because Miss S was like, Mummy, why haven't you, shown everyone that bag? It's just sitting there. Can I tell you guys, I've been staring at that bag. I've taken it out a couple of times and played with it and just looked at it and marveled at it and everything. But you're thinking, what is the bag? I'm going to show you right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it really didn't come in the orange bag. I just did that for effect. Yes, it's an older bag. It comes in the brown box. I've kind of missed this brown box, I mean, I do love the orange box, but brown. I love this brown box. Okay, I'm waffling. Okay. What is it, Mel? Yes, it's a bag. Yes, I've obviously stated that. It comes in this thick dust bag. To reveal. Ta-da! A lot of you may have never seen this because it is super rare and so hard to get. I think only a handful came to Australia. Okay, so what is this bag called? It is called the Louis Vuitton City Trunk Bag. As you can see, it resembles a trunk. As you know, Louis Vuitton is, they're known for being a trunk maker. I saw this on the runway. I remember, I'm going to even insert the picture because I still had it saved on my phone when I saw it on the runway, and I was like, I am in love, right? And I just loved the whole look of it. I'm just going to turn it around as I show you. It is just a masterpiece. It's boxy, it's structured, it's just fashionable. Oh, I don't know. It reflects the heritage of the house. Okay, so to open it up, you push this lock, take all this out. Inside, it is in sheepskin lining, and it does have a couple of pockets, though you wouldn't really use those pockets. It is made in France. So you got the little care card there. And what else can I say? I've got obviously classic monogram canvas, all the details. It's a structured handle like this, silver tone. It's got this pocket at the back, but I don't think I would ever use this. And just look at all the detail with all the studs all the way around. This piece actually takes like about 9 hours to make. And like I said, Australia, I think, only got a handful. Like, there's no way I could have got my hands on this piece like back then. And when I got it 6 months ago, it was purely by luck. So one of my really good friends who knows my obsession about bags has another friend whose auntie buys a lot of bags. So she actually said, oh, my auntie's got this bag. She's not interested. Do you want to ask your friend that's obsessed about bags? That friend is me, obviously. And I couldn't believe when I saw the picture of this bag. I was like, she wants to sell this? How much does she want to sell it for? Yep, I'll get it. Because this retailed when it first came out, like in 2016, for 8,300 AUD. Yep, I remember because I was like already saving up to buy it. And it cost me 6,100. And she's used it a couple of times, but to me, it is like brand new condition. So I saved like over $2,000. Oh, I forgot to mention, it does also come with an adjustable shoulder strap. I love it handheld though. I mean, how cool does it look handheld? But of course, who doesn't want, you know, an adjustable shoulder strap too? So you can put the strap on like this, as you can see, and you can wear it as on the shoulder, which I think, you know, looks really good on the shoulder. You wouldn't wear this one crossbody. It just wouldn't look good. And yeah, the strap is sort of like, you know, I don't even know what leather it is. It kind of looks like epi leather, but it's not epi leather because, wow, even the strap has all these little punch details in it. I just noticed that. Actually, so this was during the time of Nicolas Ghesquière. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I'm not, guys. Just excuse me. You can tell from this video I'm probably talking faster than normal because I'm so excited. This seriously has been like my dream holy grail LV bag. Like, since I saw it. You know, when you've been looking for a bag for so long, like I've been on the hunt for this bag since I've seen it. I gave up, actually, didn't think I could find it. And honestly, it was pure luck. I love that it just pays homage to Louis Vuitton's heritage. I love that it's not like just super structured. As you can see, if you wear it like this, it's sort of like a bit soft there, but when you hold it up, it looks a bit structured. I don't know. I just think it's so funky and it's edgy and it's so different. And I know when I'm carrying this piece, there are not going to be that many people that have it. So there you go, guys. That's my double dream unboxing. Finally, this is it. After years of searching, I got my dream Holy Grail LV bag. Also a personal dream of mine by co-creating an earring that I would love and wear all the time. I just think this is such a timeless piece. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Please let me know your feedback. I am just so thankful and grateful to have you guys and your support. I would not be able to even create these earrings without you. And no, this charity does not even know that I'm donating these profits to them. It's just something that's close to my heart. And I'm more than happy to share once we've hit our goal. Let's try and raise, 1,000 US for them. We're going to send it to them. We're going to surprise them. I'm going to share it on my IG stories. How good is it to know that your purchase isn't just making you and your loved one happy, but it's also helping people see again. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye, guys.